Why do space agencies track asteroids so closely? Because even a small one can make a big impact. Asteroid 2024. On, a colossal 720-foot rock, just made a close but safe flyby at 0.62 million miles from Earth. That's more than 2.5 times the distance between us and the Moon. Discovered on July 27th by the Atlas Sky Survey, this speedy traveler clocked in at 40,233 kilometers per hour. What's the big deal? Monitoring near-Earth objects like this is crucial. It helps us predict potential threats and understand our cosmic neighborhood better. And hey, while 2024 ON was just saying hello, a smaller asteroid put on a fiery show over the Philippines. This tiny rock, detected before it even hit, lit up the sky as it burned up harmlessly. So next time you look up, remember, the universe is full of surprises, and we're always keeping an eye out. Stay curious, space fans!